Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. Today I want to introduce and demonstrate our new stainless steel boat security camera. You can see it mounted there behind me. Now, this is not exclusively made for marine applications, but because it's made with AISI 316 stainless steel, it holds up extremely well in saltwater conditions. That's one of the most corrosion-proof metals that there is. So it's great for installations on boats, yachts, and ships, and in marinas, but it can be used in other applications where it's exposed to corrosive materials, like in industrial and manufacturing applications. As you see from the demo, I don't have this mounted to a boat. Unfortunately, I don't have a boat to demonstrate with, but this is going to give you a great view of just how wide of an angle this camera provides. It's a 180-degree field of view, and it's 1080p resolution, which is equivalent to 2 megapixel. Let's take a look at the demo video, and then I'll tell you a little bit more after. So here's some video surveillance footage that we recorded with our stainless steel boat camera. And that spot that you're going to see me walking from over there on the right there, that's 90 feet away from where the camera is mounted. So that should give you some perspective of the huge area that this camera can cover. And as you can see, it's a super wide lens. It's just shy of 180 degrees. To record this video surveillance footage, we have the camera connected to one of our Viewtron BNC security camera DVRs. So if you need recorded video surveillance footage, this is an excellent solution. We can also pair these cameras with our video multiplexers. Some boats only need a live view and don't need recording, and the video multiplexers are perfect for that. A couple more things I want to mention before I wrap up. Again, for the most part, this is used as a boat security camera, but we do also sell this for industrial use and manufacturing because it's so corrosion proof because of that AISI 316 stainless steel. It's a universal video camera, which means it supports 4 selectable video modes. AHD, HD-TVI, HD-CVI, and analog CCTV CVBS video is supported. So you can use this with one of our Viewtron DVRs if you need recording, if you want to use this as a security camera. If you just need it for a live view without recording, we pair this up with our video multiplexers, which is extremely popular on boats because many times for boating applications, they just need it for a live view, for parking, or just enjoying the live view from different rooms on the boat. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to reach out to me anytime directly. I can be reached at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to learn more about this stainless steel boat security camera, please visit www.cctvcamerapros.com/EX23. Thank you for watching.